Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Polymarket. So let's dive in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, polymarket.com. We are right here on their homepage. The first thing I want to go through is signing up, right? And it makes it really convenient. If you go up to the top right hand side, click on sign up. And here you can just sign up with your Google account, which is just pretty much regular. But you can also sign up with your wallet. So your Phantom wallet, your Trust wallet. You can use your MetaMask, Coinbase, or whatever other wallet you would like to use. You can link it directly. Okay, so I'm just going to go and sign up with my Google account just to go through how this actually works. And what I found is this decentralized platform has got a lot of space to it. So there's a lot that you can do here. So first of all, let's go straight into creating orders. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're on the home page, okay? And here you can look for anything that you'd like to create an order on. Now, what do I mean by an order? I mean you can actually place a bet or open a position on a decision to be made or a potential outcome. So you can see that there are a bunch of different things over here. Okay, this is right now trending. There is breaking news. You can see here, there's new items here. You can go through politics, sports, crypto, earnings. There's tons of things here that you can go and check, right? So I'm just going to go and stick with the trending tab over here. And then I'm going to go into the Super Bowl champion 2026. Now, once you actually click on this, it'll open a completely new window. All right. And this is really nice because here you can see the history from when this was open. So it was open, if you go all the way to the beginning of this chart, May 2nd, 2025, more or less over there. You can see the stats, okay? And you can see its history. Now, if you just come down over here, you will see these are the outcomes to be the Super Bowl champion in 2026, and this is for this specific opening. And here are the chances of these teams becoming the Super Bowl champion. And here you can see they all have a different probability. So here you have two options. You can either buy in and vote that they will become the champions, or you can buy in and say no, they will not. Now you will see that the buy-in for yes is less than the buy-in for no. And let me explain to you exactly why. Now, if you put the amount in over here, so let's, for example, just put in $1. If I'm buying in for $1, my profit, if Buffalo become the Super Bowl champions in 2026, I will get back out $5.88. Now, what if we're investing or opening an order with $10? What if we're opening a $100 order? This really is quite a large amount. But what if I'm doing the same with the no? So I'm buying in for more, but the percentage or the markup is less. And here you can find out a little bit more information over here. But on $100, I will only be taking out 119.05 cents. So you can see that the profit margins will be different whether you're buying or selling. Once you have sort of figured out what exactly you'd like to do, you can actually go ahead and you can click on buy. Now it says deposit for me because I haven't actually made a deposit, and let me take you exactly to where you can make a deposit and how it can happen. So you can do a transfer of crypto. You can deposit right over here with your debit card, and then you can also use PayPal, and this will all be different depending on what region you're in and what payment methods are available. So just make sure that you keep that in mind and check what is available over there when you're doing a deposit. The next thing that I want to show you is once you have placed your order, you can actually go up to the top over here on the top right and go into portfolio, and you'll be able to see all of your open orders. Now, this is your positions. Here you can say open orders, and here you can see everything that you've already opened and has not been closed or settled yet. This, of course, is your portfolio balance and then your historical transactions. So here you can see any position that has been closed. You'll find it right over here. On the right hand side, it gives you a profit loss chart. You can do that over a day, week, month, or your entire account duration. And then once you are sort of done with your orders and you would like to withdraw, you can simply click on withdraw over here, and you'll be able to actually choose your withdrawal method, and it should be similar to your deposit method. So you could withdraw to your bank account, you could withdraw to one of your crypto wallets, and then you could also withdraw to your PayPal account, and then you'll have your funds available. So what's nice about Polymarket is you can actually go and explore a bunch of different markets. So as you can see over here, there are a ton more. And really, if you are looking for something particular, you can actually type it in over here. So let's just say technology, for example, and you'll see that it'll bring back a bunch more results. Now, I'm sure this is a hot topic. Which company has the best AI model? The end of 2025, and there are a lot of different opinions going on over here, right? And you can see that if you go down, you'll see that there is a 73% chance that Google is going to win. Okay, that's the chance that they will be named the best AI model at the end of 2025. Now, you can, of course, you can buy in here, as I mentioned earlier on, and you can see the profit margin that you are going to be marked up at over here. You can also see, as you go down, a whole bunch of the asks and the bids, and you can also see the spread over here. And quite frankly, they give you quite a bit of information. You can actually also go into the settings over here, so you can see the scale or the graph in different ways. So you get your auto scale. You can turn on and off all of these options over here. You can also see that there are different options that you can add in, or you can even remove, so that you can only see maybe 2 of the members. And then you can embed this graph. And here you can export this data if you'd like to analyze it in another app. I hope this was helpful. Go and check out Polymarket and explore.